Hi, Dave Kaiser here with Dave Jones Realty. I'm here at 4 West Court, my one-bedroom listing. It's a spacious 1,295 square foot house with a lot of unique features. Let's take a look inside. So we're here in the living room. It has a spacious area and access to the deck behind me. Cathedral ceilings here, and there's a unique spiral staircase up to a loft in the upper area here. It's a nice spacious bedroom with a private deck for having morning coffee. There's also 2 matching walk-in closets for your convenience storage. It features a ceiling fan. It makes it a nice cozy place. So also conveniently located in the unit is a washer and dryer here in the closet, and there's a pantry behind me. It makes a convenient place to take care of all your laundry needs and storing things. The unit comes with a 1-car garage underneath that you enter, and you could go right into the unit from. It's convenient for when you come home with groceries. It provides ample parking. Thank you for joining me on this tour today. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour, please give me a call at 203-725-1186.